welcome back to All Things with Tips. So today I will be doing a review and trying on a wig that I just purchased from Amazon. It's actually a short wig. As you can see, I've cut my hair again and dyed it blonde. So just gonna try something different. I saw a short blonde wig that I wanted to try. And so let's get to it. I got this in Amazon yesterday, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up on camera and let's see what we got in here. Okay guys, so it came in this once I opened the box. And I'm going to put the link to where I purchased it from in the description. So if you are interested in it, you are more than welcome to click on that link in the description to purchase for yourself. They did have I know they did have it in black also. And I believe they may have had a few other colors. All right. So it did come with a wig cap. And this is the wig here. So this is the wig. Guess we won't know how it's gonna look until we actually put it on. I'm going to put on the wig cap and I'm gonna get my comb and get my shears just in case I need to cut it. So I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, so I have on the cap and I just used the cap that came with the wig. The wig does have clips on the inside and it also has the strings where are the adjustable straps so that you can tighten it inside. So my head is pretty small. I know it doesn't look small, but it is. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust these to the smallest size. All right, let's go ahead and put this wig on. Okay, so before I get started, I have the wig on now. Before I get started, I wanted to just give you a little bit more information about the wig, and so you guys will know it won't be just kind of stuck like, what kind of hair, you know, blah, blah. So, like I said, I did purchase this wig off of Amazon, and it is a short hair pixie cut wig. It is human hair, it's not synthetic, so you could dye it if you wanted to. I did see where some women had purchased it and they had dyed their wigs different colors, so that is possible if that's something that you want to do since it is human hair. And at the time that I purchased it, it cost $20.99. I believe it may have been on sale, so not sure how much it will be when you get ready to purchase yours if you decide to. Okay, so I have my mirror over to the side, so you may see me just kind of looking off. It may need a little styling, guys. All right. All right, so I have my styling comb here. Let's just see what we can do with it. And it is shedding a little bit, but I mean, that's expected. It is not a wig that I would wear out of the box. Let's see what we can do to it. Okay, y'all, definitely not an out of the box wig. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the back. Okay, so first I'm just gonna take my shears and just kind of start off cutting it. I may speed this up a little so that the video won't be long-winded. So here we go. Okay, so I've cut off the sides. Now I'm gonna see what I can do to the back. Okay, so let's try to clean up these, the back a little bit. And I think I may try to mold it and then curl it to take some of these extra little curls out. All right, y'all, so I'm not gonna cut too much off the top because I wanna mold it first to see how it's gonna look. So let me go ahead and get my setting lotion and get my wrapping strip. Okay, so just gonna use my Nairobi foam wrap. Love this foam wrap. If you haven't tried it, it's the best. It's very popular, it's been out for a while. I'll also put the link in the description as well. There's also a link to this on my website at allthingswithtip.com. I just feel like I need to get it flat so that I can kind of actually see the style or what I can do to it. I'm just molding it like I would normally do my own short hair. Let's see what we can get out of it. Taking a little bit more mousse than I needed. Well, than I thought that I was gonna have to use, because it's still like curling up, so they must have something on here, kind of perm or something that they used. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put these strips on here, let this dry, and we'll see what we can do with it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just let this air dry, and then I'll come back to you all once it has completely dried, and then we'll see if it's truly a human hair wig, and go ahead and try to add some curls to it to kind of try to style it in a little bit better style. So guys, if you have made it to this point, go ahead and like and support my channel, and go ahead and subscribe and ring that notification bell so you can receive notifications each time I upload my video. I thank you all so much for supporting my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and I hope that you are enjoying so far. Make sure you stay tuned, and make sure you check out all my other videos after this video, of course. But I'll see you guys when my hair dries or when this wig dries, and I'll be right back with you guys. And it's actually almost dry, so we're just gonna blow dry it just a little. All right, y'all, so I'm just gonna take this Chi Enviro hairspray, and I'm gonna spray it on here to try to hold the curls. And I'm just gonna go through it with my Chi Deep Brilliance iron, and let's see what happens. Okay, y'all, so I just kind of went through and just curled it any kind of way. It was taking too long, so we're just gonna see how this thing's gonna turn out. I am gonna put just a tiny bit of oil in it. Give me just a second. So I'm just gonna try this Paul Mitchell wax just to kind of maybe hold it down. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that in the palm of my hand, and I'm gonna spray a little bit of this smoothing shine spray. So I'm gonna take my styling comb and see if I can start styling this thing, y'all. All right, guys, so this is just it flat. I think I kind of like this flat look. Also wanna just kind of see how it looks just in a little funky style. So we're gonna try that too. Okay, guys, so this is as good as it's gonna get today. I don't think it looks bad. I'm not sure. I might wear it out if I'm you know, just don't want to do the natural look and I, you know, need to do something else to my hair. It is something I could consider. I think I do need to maybe cut it in a little style or whatever, but I think it does give me that option to do, you know, a few things that that I, you know, could do with it and be a little bit more versatile. This is it, guys. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for staying till the end to see the finished product. And I will see you next time. Thank you guys again for watching. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe to my channel, to All Things with Tip. You can also check out my blog at allthingswithtip.com. All the information will be in the description, and the products that I use are either in the description or on my website. So guys, thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time. Keep staying safe and blessed out there. You know what it is. Peace.